As I told you, in the first step, that is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate donates one of its phosphate group to ATP, making a molecule of ATP and turning into 3-phosphoglycerate in the process. That's why I told you uh, what is going on in the first step. So, how many ATP we have prepared now, Lubaba? How many ATP we have?
Two.
2. Initially, in this reaction is 1. But since we got 2 molecule of 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate from the fructose bisphosphate, so that's why you have to multiply it by 2. Right. Now let's see what's going on in the next step. Step 7. 3-phosphoglycerate is converted into its isomer 2-phosphoglycerate. 2-phosphoglycerate. Okay. Dua, can you tell me which phosphate has been removed in step 6? The one which is attached on carbon number 1 or the one which is attached on carbon number 3?
Carbon number 1.
Yes, because the molecule is 3-phosphoglycerate now. Now this 3-phosphoglycerate is converted into its isomer 2-phosphoglycerate. So what is the difference between these two molecules? I think we have Fatma Asif here. Fatma, just switch on your mic. Fatma, switch on your mic. I just asked something. I think not here. Umran. Umran, you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Umran, can you tell me what is the difference between 3-phosphoglycerate and 2-phosphoglycerate?
In 3-phosphoglycerate it
Yes,
is
sir.
attached on the third carbon, while it is in second it is attached on second carbon.
I mean, it's like in the isomer form, it has been changed. The position of carbon has been changed in step 7, right? It's the isomeric form. So, Umran, can you tell me which molecule is more reactive? Phosphoglycerate is more reactive, 3-phosphoglycerate is more reactive, or 2-phosphoglycerate is more reactive?
2
2-4, because it's in the isomeric form now. Fine, let's see. Step 8. 2-phosphoglycerate is to converted to phosphoenol pyruvate PEP, which is an unstable molecule. Okay, look at this equation. 2-phosphoglycerate. I mean, we have a phosphate group here on carbon number 2, and here phosphoenol pyruvate means phosphate is still present, so there's no dephosphorylation. However, another molecule is formed, PEP. Its detail is not important, but I'm going to tell you that one of the water molecule has been removed. So dehydration has been takes place with phosphoglycerate to convert it into phosphoenol pyruvate, or you can use the word PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. So, uh, Iman, please switch on your mic. Iman, can you tell me which molecule is more reactive, 2-phosphoglycerate or PEP?
Sub PEP.
Yes, PEP. And I told you, can you repeat the same words which I told you? How PEP is formed from 2-phosphoglycerate? Yes, Iman? What molecule has been removed from 2-phosphoglycerate? Yes, Lobaba? Lobaba, how PEP is formed? Are you people not concentrating, Peter? I told you that one of the water molecule has been removed. Dehydration has been taken place with phosphoglycerate to convert it into PEP. Now let's move to the last step of the reaction. PEP readily donates its phosphate group to ADP, making a second molecule of ATP. As it loses its phosphate, PEP is converted to pyruvate, the end product of glycolysis. Right. So now, Umran, can you tell me how many ATP have been formed in the overall process of glycolysis?
Sir, two.
Two from one molecule, but there are two molecules have been added. It means uh, it means that four ATP have been produced. These two ATP from one molecule of phosphoglycerate, but we have produced two molecules of phosphoglycerate. That's why overall product is two ATP molecule, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. So this is the overall process of glycolysis, and if you see the glycolysis and reaction, I'm sorry, so fine, this will be energy investment phase. So let's see a few questions I want to share with you. We have 10 minutes more, so let's just share some questions with you, and anyone can give me the answer. Which three carbon molecule is one of the final product of glycolysis? 2-phosphoglycerate, ADP, glucose, pyruvate. Who will give you the answer?
Sir, D.
D. Just call your name as well when you are going to give me the answers. Who is this?
Iman.
Iman. Okay. That's the next question. So yes, the answer is D. Which of the following statement is true regarding glycolysis? Glycolysis can occur without the presence of oxygen. Glycolysis takes place in the mitochondria of a cell. Glycolysis is the final step in the anaerobic
A,
respiration.
sir.
Sure? Take no. Not D? No. Let's see the answer.
सर
Yes. जी होसेफा कुछ कह रहे थे आप?
नहीं सर सही है मैं मुझे पहले डी लग रहा था
डी
लेकिन
क्यों
फिर
लगेगा?
क्लियर हो गया
डी क्यों लगेगा भाई? ये कह रहे हैं नेट ऑफ 1 एटीपी. नेट ऑफ
हाँ
2
वो
नेट ऑफ
मेरे
2
180
नेट ऑफ
लगा
2
था
एटीपी होती है ना? अच्छा.
सही सर
Okay. Glycolysis is the first stage in the process of cellular respiration. What is the main transformation that occur during glycolysis? Glycolysis produces ATP, pyruvate, and NADH by oxidizing glucose. Glycolysis produces ATP through the process of oxidative phosphorylation. Glycolysis produces pyruvate and ATP through by oxidizing glucose and NAD+. Glycolysis produces carbon dioxide, NAD, and pyruvate by oxidizing glucose.
बी
क्या हो गया? सन्नाटा छा गया?
सर बी
डी? उमरान कह रहा है बी या डी? लो बाबा.
C, sir.
सी. लो बाबा सी कह रहे हो?
G.
अच्छा सी लेकर जरा सी को मैं बताता हूँ सी कह क्या रहा है. ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूसेस पायरुवेट, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहा है. एंड एटीपी, ये भी ठीक कह रहा है. थ्रू बाय ऑक्सीडाइजिंग ग्लूकोज, ये भी ठीक कह रहा है. क्या एनएडी को ऑक्सीडाइज करता है या रिड्यूस करता है?
Reduce.
तो फिर
Sorry.
गलत हो गई ना. तो ये तो ऑक्सीडाइज ग्लूकोज एनएडी थोड़ी ऑक्सीडाइज होता है. जी.
सर बी होगा जी
बी.
बी
आप बी कह रहे हो?
जी सर
Glycolysis produce ATP through the process of oxidative phosphorylation. हुज़ैफा, अभी तक कोई ऑक्सीजन यूज हुआ है पूरे प्रोसेस में?
नहीं सर हाइड्रोजन में
तो ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोरिलेशन कहाँ से आई मेरे बच्चों? क्या हो गया? बड़ा आसान सा सवाल है. दो आप तो बता दो.
A होगा सर.
कुछ और बचा नहीं है, इसलिए ए ही होगा. बच्चों देखो, ग्लाइकोलिसिस प्रोड्यूस एटीपी, कोई शक नहीं. पायरुवेट, कोई शक नहीं. एंड एनएडीएच, कोई शक नहीं. बाय ऑक्सीडाइजिंग ग्लूकोज। तो सीधा सीधा आंसर खुद चीख चीख के कह रहा है आंसर है। ग्लाइकोलाइसिस प्रोड्यूस एटीपी पायरुवेट एंड NADH by oxidizing glucose. Got it? समझ आई बात?
Yes, sir.
So that's the answer is A. You can see. So that's the end of today's class, and hopefully you have enjoyed the class and got all the concepts. Still, you have 5 to 7 minutes. If you have some question in your mind, you can ask me about the entire process of glycolysis. I also share with you people the entire flow chart of the entire process of glycolysis. Any other questions?
सर आप स्टेप 9 वाली स्लाइड वापस दिखा सकते हैं? वो दरअसल मैं कॉपी कर रहा हूँ ना साथ साथ, इसलिए।
ये इसका PDF मैं भेजूंगा, डोंट वरी, आपको PDF मिल जाएगा पूरा, ठीक है?
यस सर, ठीक है।
Okay. Okay, then see you inshallah in the next class, students. Take care and we will discuss everything inshallah in the next class. And the next class is I think on Friday, tomorrow. Yeah. So, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.